If you have 0 experience or if you have 10 years experience, you are more than welcome to join our Eco University. There is no other opportunity out there that competes with what the Eco University can provide.
We welcome people to come do a tour. Come explore the trades, come explore Eco Plumbers. Having a university training program like this is just so important to our success.
I love it here. I couldn't imagine myself being anywhere else or doing anything else. Whatever you want to do, you can do it here at Eco. There is a space for you.
Being able to be out in the field, helping customers, helping our community here every single day is a new adventure here.
I would encourage you to come and take a look at Eco Plumbers. Look at the trades. I'll give you a tour, show you the facility so you know what you're getting into, and we'll get you on the right path.
The fact that you're doing good things for the world makes you feel amazing. If you're even thinking about trades, this is a brilliant place to start.